UWBI Portal. At the University of Washington, we have numerous institutional data available for analysis. But if you are new to UW, or if you are new to working with institutional data, then you may not be familiar with the tools available to help you do your work. One of the more popular tools is the UWBI Portal. This portal provides you with an online, searchable catalog of institutional data that is designed to be the one-stop shop for UW data tools such as reports, visualizations, and data cubes. This walkthrough is designed to give you a high-level introduction to these tool types and the kind of information available to you within the portal itself. Entering the portal. To get to the BI portal, select your address bar and enter biportal.uw.edu and press enter. You will first be prompted to continue through your Microsoft security settings, followed by the standard UW Net ID login. You can choose to stay logged in to reduce the number of times you are asked to sign in, or you can decline this option. Once successfully logged in and verified, you will be taken to the BI Portal landing page that shows your personalized portal homepage along with a banner at the top of each page for quick links to reports, visualizations, and data cubes. Homepage. The homepage is tailored to you and your specific usage. Because of this, the organization of what you see will be unique to you and your usage. One of the first sections of your homepage is My Favorites. If you have specific items favorited, they will be grouped within the My Favorites card. The first 5 items of each card are shown in a thumbnail preview. You can click the card for a more comprehensive list or select a thumbnail to go directly to that item. Similarly, cards such as My Recent Reports, Recommended Reports, Most Popular Reports, and Recently Added Reports are sectioned for you that will update according to your usage and newer information. Again, because the BI portal is adaptive, this information will continue to adjust as to your specific use, making your layout different than a colleague's. Reports. At the top of each page is a banner with easily accessible site pages. The Reports tab, once clicked, takes you to a full catalog of UW institutional reports. Here, you can choose to search by a specific report name, or, what is more commonly used, search with one of the quick access filter options. For example, clicking on the subject area, filter opens the data wheel. If you are only interested in academic reports, selecting this subject area will filter down to reports that relate specific to academics. If you select a report, you will be taken directly to its details page. Details page. The details page of a specific report segments information into tabs. Overview gives a brief explanation of what you will see in the report. Technical information describes who the author was and the last time it was updated, as well as source information. On some reports there is an interpretation guide, and this is intended to answer common questions to provide context that may not be intuitively obvious. The Security Information tab will tell you the roles that have full access or partial access, as well as what your specific role is. To run a report, you're going to have EDW access. The next tab, SQL Queries, is important for developers. If you want to recreate this report or run your own version, this tab will give you the source query that was used to generate the report. Each time changes are pushed to the BI portal, this query is updated. Relevant terms are documented for each report. These are listed under the Definitions tab that provides short descriptions. Clicking a specific term will open Knowledge Navigator tool in a new tab. This will give you the full definition along with specific relevant details such as related options, glossary, synonyms, and its relationship to similar items. As more tabs are added, or if your browser window is narrow, additional tabs will become truncated. If you do not see all of these tabs, they are likely sectioned under a drop-down menu to the right of your last visible tab. And lastly, we have Recommended Reports. This tab gives you insight into what other reports were also viewed in conjunction with this one. An important feature to note in the Details page is the Add to Favorites button. Starring this will link the report to your My Favorites card on your home page. Clicking the star again will remove it from your favorites. Visualizations. The Visualizations tab is a catalog of dashboards available. You can use any of the filters above to narrow down your search area, like we did for reports, and click on a particular visualization to see its details page. Here you will find details on the visualization such as overview, technical information, interpretation, and related filters that are displayed in the dashboard. If you click the View button, you can run this visualization. Once again, you can click to add this to your favorites. Data cubes. Cubes are different from reports and visualizations as you can only run them through an analysis tool, not here in your browser. Because of this, all that is displayed with cubes is the simple description, what the dimensions are, along with the measures and hierarchies, and other contextual information. Help. The Help page provides a lot of contextual information about the tools that we support, as well as some important answers to the most frequent questions. Similarly, if you're exploring the BI portal but you don't have access yet, you can use the Request Access link that will take you to a page which describes the process for identifying the role that you need to do your work. This also will give you the process to go through to request a role. Even if you don't have EDW access yet, you can still search and explore to see what tools are available to the UW Data user community. It's not until you try to run a report or a visualization that you will need to request access. So, if you have a UW Net ID, feel free to explore. And if you are ready to request access, you can follow the process through our website. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tutorial to acclimate yourself to the BI portal. Please be sure to like this video and leave a comment below.